Hello everybody, welcome to Kana's Kitchen. How is everyone doing during this quarantine time? I want to take videos of me cooking Japanese food and maybe help everybody at home cooking for their family during this time. I am half Japanese, half American, and I live in Japan. So I cook a lot of Japanese, sorry, that's my daughter. I cook a lot of Japanese food, but I also cook other types of food. So this is not just going to be Japanese food, but I have a 2-year-old and a 1-year-old. So I will be cooking food that hopefully they like, you know how terrible 2s are. But so it might be useful for moms or dads that are cooking for their kids also. And this is going to be a casual YouTube video. It's not going to be fancy, and probably there's going to be a lot of crying going on in the background. But I just wanted to stay real, and I'm just going to be cooking from my kitchen, hoping it will help some of you at home. I hope this YouTube channel will help you and your family in some sort of way, and thank you for visiting.